Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you the 3 baby kittens that we rescued, but then we just realized that the mom was actually trying to give birth to more babies, so we left it in the garage uh, with lights off and just one light on. So here's the garage. So we're going in. I'm excited. Oops.
There are 4 baby cats. They're all black so far.
I was wrong. There are 4 baby kittens.
Oh no!
You can see that that's the mom. Those are the 2 kittens. Those are the 4. 1, 2, 3.
There's 2 baby felines.
4 little kitties.
And
Look
the
at them.
mommy. Barely born yesterday.
And they're just newborns. They just were born yesterday.
How adorable. We're gonna keep them until Monday.
So we can call animal control. Because
I'm gonna send them out for adoption.
but they're going to be adopted altogether. Because they're newborns. You can't just adopt a newborn by itself. You have to adopt it. And we can't have it because we can't have cats here. So we live in the garage.
Can you feel it, Mama?
And the mom is cold. And we have the boiler milk.
Pero tomado leche.
So recently, we're going to leave her alone. Just for now.
I didn't even get a record. I didn't even get a record.
Little kitties. And so we're just going to wait for it so in case it wants to come outside to use the bathroom. You know. So, yeah, that's a basket, the gray pinkish, just the basket. The mom is just guarding her baby kittens just to give them milk. And yesterday, all the neighbors came out because we saw the mom giving birth to the cat behind the bushes, behind our plants. Because it thought that it was a very safe place to hide it, to give birth to her kittens right there. But this is just a special moment that I want to share on YouTube with my family. That's my sister, Joanna. She's looking at the kittens. You know.
The babies are just burning.
And that's my mom. That's my mom, and that's my sister's dumb umbrella. See, these are the kittens. As you can see, the kittens are right there. It is drinking milk right now. This is just the mom. She's very nice. She doesn't bite at all. She's not bite. But she always comes around the neighborhood. We didn't know she had baby kittens. But anyways, this is just a very special moment to share. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. I wanted to record yesterday, but I couldn't use my phone yesterday. Couldn't find it.